Hi, Denise. Today we are going to learn two math actions, addition and subtraction. First, let's understand what an action is. An action is something you do, like when you jump, clap your hands, or wave. Those are all actions because you're doing something. Now, in math, we also have actions. Imagine you have one apple in a basket. Now we add one more apple. How many apples do we have in the basket now?
We have 2.
Great answer. We call this action of adding one more apple to the one already in the basket addition. There is a sign for the word addition and it looks like this. The name for this action is plus. Please repeat after me. 1 apple plus 1 apple equals 2 apples.
1 apple plus 1 apple equals 2 apples.
Now we are going to do the same thing, but backwards. We have 2 apples in the basket. Let's take away one of them. How many apples do we have in the basket now?
We have 1.
Great answer. So, we had 2 apples in the basket, and we subtracted 1. Now we are left with only 1 apple in the basket. We call this action of taking away the 1 apple subtraction. There is also a sign for subtraction, and it looks like this. The name for this action is minus. Repeat after me. 2 apples minus 1 apple equals 1 apple.
2 apples minus 1 apple equals 1 apple.
Let's change the apples to numbers. How much is 1 plus 1?
It's 2.
Correct. Do you remember what the sign was for the word plus?
Yes, it looks like this.
Excellent. Great job. What did we call that action, Denise?
We call it addition.
That's very good. Now let's subtract 1 from 2 to show 2 minus 1. What is the answer?
It is 1.
Great. You are a great student.
But teacher, I don't remember what the name was for the sign in math.
It's called equal. Please repeat after me. Equal.
Equal.
Equal means the total that we are left with.
Thank you, teacher.
Great work, Denise. But remember, you have to practice this a few times more to remember everything, okay?
I promise I will. Thank you so much for teaching me.
Join us again soon at clubbabyedu.com, where the fun never ends.